everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Point Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 41, subject science class 10, and we are going to take the revision of life processes. So let us start with the nutrition. What is nutrition? The process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for the growth. जो हमारे बॉडी ग्रोथ के लिए ज़रूरी होती है वो प्रोसेस जिससे हम फूड लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड या न्यूट्रिशंस. ये दो टाइप के होते हैं. यू कैन से दैट टू मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशंस होता है. एक होता है आपका ऑटोट्रॉफिक एंड देन हेट्रोट्रॉफिक. सो लेट अस डिस्कस व्हाट इज ऑटोट्रॉफिक एंड हेट्रोट्रॉफिक. This is a kind of nutrition in which inorganic materials like CO2, water, etc. are utilized to prepare the organic food by the process of photosynthesis. So you can say that जब अपना when the take the food, make their food with your own, like the inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water, they all are utilized for preparing organic food. For example, in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it make their own food. Glucose is formed and carbon dioxide and oxygen gas is released. So this is your photosynthesis example of autotrophic nutrition. Second one is your heterotrophic nutrition. What is that? This is the kind of nutrition which organism do not possess the ability of synthesis their own food. In fact, they depend on plants, animals of their food, like fungi, animals, etc. They don't make their own food, but they are dependent on other plants and animals, like fungi, animals, and human beings even. What are the main events of, when you are learning photosynthesis, let us learn the main event of photosynthesis. First is absorb the light energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of a light energy into a chemical energy. लाइट एनर्जी जो प्रेजेंस में होता है वो कन्वर्ट होता है आपकी केमिकल एनर्जी में. स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर एंड हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, ये सारी केमिकल प्रोसेस होते हैं, कन्वर्जन होते हैं इनके. और फिर क्या होता है, रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ये सारे मेन इवेंट्स फोटोसिंथेसिस में होते हैं. कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है रिड्यूस होता है विद द फॉर्म ऑफ SO2 itself. You can clear about the chemical reaction where carbon dioxide, 6 carbon dioxide when react with hydrogen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it form a glucose, oxygen and water. ठीक है. तो site of photosynthesis, or what are the site of photosynthesis? They are chloroplasts which containing the chlorophyll in the leaf. We have learned about the descriptions in our earlier worksheets. In our previous worksheet, we have already learned about all these things. So here there is also given the nutritions in human being. How the nutritions in human being happen? There are some digestive systems which take here. The first is your alimentary canal. With alimentary canal indulges with mouth cavity, esophagus, stomach, duodenum, tetrachum, and ileum, appendix, sesame, colon, rectum, and anus. These are the all step by step where human digestions, and you have learned each and every functions of human digestion one by one in a descriptive form in our previous worksheet. So let us do the practice question which is given over here. First question is, what are the autophores and heterophores? We have now only we have discussed about these two. You can get the answer from here itself. These are the, from here you can get autophores and heterophores, the differentiation. Got it? They can make their own food, they cannot make their own food, they depend upon the organic materials, they depend upon the food and animals. Now example is photosynthesis in green plants, here fungi and animals. Got it? Now second question, that is your describe, that we have done. What are the, describe a heteroprotic mode of the nutritions. हेट्रोप्रोटिक मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशंस क्या होते हैं कि जिसमें हम दे मेक देयर ओन फूड एंड ऑल, एंड व्हाट आर द स्टेप इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. हियर हेट्रोप्रोटिक मोड एंड दे आर ऑल आस्किंग द स्टेप इन्वॉल्व. हेट्रोफोरिक मोड ये था आपका काइंड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशंस. This is the mode which organisms do not have the possess the ability to synthesize their own food. They depend on the animal and other. ठीक है. So the third question was that ki what is the step involved in the process of high. So these are the main step. पहला होता है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी, क्लोरोफिल, कन्वर्जन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी, रिडक्शन ऑफ CO2 एंड हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है. एंड नाउ डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस इन अमीबा. अमीबा में डाइजेशन कैसे टेक होता है. सो वी हैव डिस्कस इन अवर प्रीवियस वर्कशीट ऑल्सो with the helpful diagram also. So since amoeba is a single cellular organism, the digestion is in the intercellular digestion. The digestion process is facilitated by a certain digestive enzyme. These enzymes break down into the large insoluble particles in a simpler molecules. The food stored as a vacuole where its digestion take place. और वो कैसे अपने प्रे को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं वो तो आपने पढ़ा था, उनके मूवमेंट, उनके जो जिससे वो अपने अडॉप्ट अंदर जो है स्वैलन करते हैं. तो दिस आर द हाउ दैट दे टेक प्लेस. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट आई गेस नो द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज दैट डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. You can see that these are step of process of how the human being digestions have been taken place. So the last question is that name the enzymes secret by the stomach and pancreas that digest the protein. तो stomach जो enzyme secrete करता है that is your pepsin, and then ये पेप्सिन प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए स्पेशली पूछ रहे हैं. एंड पेनक्रियाज इज योर ट्रिप्सिन, TRY trypsin. So these are two enzymes which are secreted by your stomach and pancreas to digest the protein. ठीक है. So this was all about your today's worksheet. Hope you have understood. Keep watching and keep